We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can. And as always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. The arms can float down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as you gather in the energy, bring it into the heart, send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Feeling all the sensations that you can. One more time, sink the chi. And then from here, step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front to about shoulder height, and the arms get heavy, floating down, opening the door. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, floating down. Nice and easy, nice and slow. One more time, open the door. From here, the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, they float up the center, pressing up overhead, floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in as you rise up, breathing out, letting go. Opening the shoulders, opening the chest, decompressing the spine. One more time, holding up the sky. Then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hug the tree. The arms open up wide. Then this hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon, then step out to the corner. And as you step out, the bottom arm floats up, tossing the moon into the sky. Circle it around again, toss it away. Breathing in and breathing out. Parting the wild horse's mane. This time, catch the moon, and then we'll spin the moon. The bottom hand comes up overhead, the other hand pushes through. Circle it around again. The fair lady works at shuttles. Spin the moon and push through. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, fair lady works at shuttles. And then parting the horse's mane one more time to the corner, then step the front foot back in, hug the tree. From here, the arms open wide, then the other hand scoops under, step in, catch the moon, step out to the corner. Bottom hand tosses the moon into the sky. Circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane, the calm within the storm. Toss away. All right, this time catch the moon and then spin the moon. Bottom hand comes up, the other hand pushes through. Circle it around again. Fair lady works at shuttles. Still breathing, feeling the sensations. Fair lady works at shuttles. All right, one more time. And then parting the wild horse's mane one last time to the corner. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree, and soften. From here, the arms open up wide. The fingertips come towards each other. Then this hand here tosses away the other hand on top, step in. Both hands together, pushing down and waving in as you soften, rising up, softening down, breathing in, breathing out. All right, this time step out to the side. And as you step out, the bottom hand brushes past the knee, the top hand pushes to the side. Circle it around again, brush knee and push. And as always, don't worry about getting it perfect, just keep on moving. Breathing in and breathing out. One more time, brush knee and push. Then the top hand drifts across the horizon, the other hand underneath, stepping in, drift across, wave hands like clouds, softening the shoulders and the neck, soften the face and the eyes. Then hug the tree, bring it to center, Then this hand drops down, toss away, the other hand circles on top, step in, both hands together, pushing down and waving in as you soften, breathing in and breathing out. One more time. And then this time, step out to the side, and as you step out, the bottom hand brushes past the knee, the top hand pushes right across. Top hand floats down, bottom hand floats up, weaving it all together, brush, knee, and push. Just like a dance that you don't have to get perfect. Breathing in and breathing out. One more time, brush, knee, and push. And the top hand drifts across, the bottom hand scoops under, step in, take your time, wave hands like clouds. Like a moving meditation. As we learn to move like nature with effortless ease. And then hug the tree, bring it to center, breathing in, the arms open, the arms float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other, and this hand floats all the way up and over and then down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time both arms float all the way up and over just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Then circle the hands in front, gathering in the energy, bring it into the heart. The arms float down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. Then this time making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. The hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. The hands can float down to the lower abdomen, stepping the feet together or as close as you can, letting the body rock and sway ever so slightly, bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. Thank you so much for watching. If you like that, this class is part of our free 5-day Tai Chi challenge for balance. So just click the first link in the video description below to sign up for free, and I'll send you all the details and the challenge calendar.